Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change chat settings in Telegram. So make sure you have your Telegram on your device and your account logged in. Now open your Telegram app. You can see this interface. Over here, click on the menu icon and you can see the settings, click on it. Now go to chat settings. And in this interface, you can see many options to set your chats. Here you can see themes, theme settings, chat wallpaper, stickers and emoji, and messages. You can customize the chat settings according to your preference. And over here you can set your themes by clicking here classic, day, tinted, nights. You can choose your color options over here. And in the theme setting you can change your color name by clicking on this color options over here and click on apply. You can also set your font family and choose the font size from here and click on save. Now to set your chat wallpaper, you can choose from gallery here. Choose the wallpaper that you like and click on apply. You can see your chat wallpaper has been changed, and here are so many options for stickers and emoji. Choose according to your preference. Also you can manage your sticker sets by clicking on here and you can manage your stickers from here. Also you can choose emoji set. You can see the options here, choose accordingly. And in this messages section, click here send with enter, or you can choose send with Ctrl plus enter to send messages. Like this way you can customize your chat settings in Telegram. Hope you guys understand and find this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.